Hey, good morning and happy Saturday. It's kind of rainy and yucky here, so just kind of hanging out today. And a couple of you guys had been asking about peanut butter, and so it feels kind of weird, but I'm going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and do a little taste test this morning because a couple of weeks ago I was at Costco and I found this peanut butter. It's called Organic PBfit Peanut Butter Powder. I have tried this in a smoothie, and I can't really tell any difference, but, I was saying the real test of peanut butter is a PB&J sandwich. So, first of all, it took me forever to figure out the directions on how to mix this up because it's actually, now I can't find it again. It's actually mixed in with, saying, oh, you can use this for, whatever. Here we go. And it's teeny tiny. So if you do get this, you may have to write this in bigger letters. So you combine 2 tablespoons of this peanut butter with 1.5 tablespoons of water. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll speed this up a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've got my handy dandy tablespoon here. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons, and you can't really see it down here, but the texture of this is, I don't know, it's kind of like dirt. It's probably not a good review, but anyway, so we're going to put 2 of that in here. I mean, it's really thick, so it's kind of surprising to me. So then we need 1.5 of water. Mine does not have a half. Well, does it have a half? Let me see. 1 tablespoon, 1.5. All right, we're going to guess. That'll work. So now what I have is I have my little bowl here. I've got peanut butter everywhere. Got my little bowl here and got my little handy mixer. So, the good thing about this, because, I mean, if you're using this for extra, say we don't have any electricity, anything like that, it's good that it just requires water, because I was noticing some things at the grocery store that I thought, oh, that would be awesome to have, but then they require an egg and things, so, wow, that's like thick. Maybe I shouldn't have guessed at the water. Let me put a little bit more in. All right, so let's, because you would choke to death with that. My Granny Reese used to, if you put too much peanut butter on your peanut butter and jelly sandwich and don't have anything to drink, it's kind of rough too. So she used to call it choke butter. So, all right, this is a little bit better. So you can, actually, it's good here. I guess you can make this at different consistencies of this. So that's a lot better. So there you go. That's actually much better consistency of peanut butter. And I have my, I usually use this natural Jif peanut butter. So as you can see, the texture that I just mixed up, texture is very similar. It smells like peanut butter, so that's a good sign. All right, so now that we've got this, so that makes not nearly enough for my peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but we're going to go with it. So I'm going to scoop this out. Get this big dollop of peanut butter. Oops. And put it on the sandwich. So, I mean, it spreads really easy. So that's good. So the instructions on this say to lick the spoon. So, tastes like peanut butter. The texture of it's a little different than regular peanut butter. So that's that. I don't have a way to cleanse my palate, so we'll just do this. Pretty big difference in the taste between real peanut butter and this, but, if you don't have anything else, then, just eat up, man. All right, so we're going to mix a little strawberry on it. The key to the perfect PB&J is the perfect blend of peanut butter and jelly. You can't have too much of one or the other, or it's just off. All right, so we're going to do that. So here we go. All right, so I'm not going to put another piece of bread on it right now. So let's give it a go. I'm going to give this, I really didn't think this through. Hang on. I'm going to give this a 2 thumbs up. So, again, this was at Costco. I don't remember how much it cost, but it was good in smoothies. You know, that if I'm just doing a side-by-side, you know, the texture, very similar to that. I like that I can make it as creamy or as thick as I want. And putting the jelly on it, I can't taste the difference. It just tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So enjoy. Hope that answers your question about a good peanut butter.